Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 55470 is a versatile grooming tool designed for men who want a comprehensive solution for their grooming needs. The kit comes with multiple attachments, including 4 combs for different lengths, ranging from 0.5mm to 21mm, a body groomer attachment, an ear and nose trimmer, and a precision head for detailing. Users report that it handles different hair types well, from fine to thick hair, ensuring a smooth and even trim. The Series 55470 offers a rechargeable battery, with up to 80 minutes of cordless use on a full charge. The trimmer is fully washable, making it easy to clean under running water. Braun has designed the Series 5 with a comfortable grip and intuitive layout. The trimmer is lightweight, making it easy to handle during use. The build quality of the Series 55470 is solid, reflecting Braun's reputation for durable grooming products. The attachments are sturdy and designed to last. While the trimmer performs well for general grooming tasks, some users may find that it lacks the precision of more specialized grooming tools, particularly for very detailed work like shaping intricate beard styles. The kit does not include a dedicated storage solution for the various attachments, which could lead to some inconvenience in keeping everything organized. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our affiliate link in the description.